Hey dears, this is our second video about the SQL structured query language. I have done hard work for you, so please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and share, like, subscribe. If there is any queries, please don't hesitate to comment me, give some suggestions and some more any queries. So let's start, but I am expecting please reward me with your simple like, subscribe and comment. Okay, so structures query, we have talked about the structures query some more about this. So structures query is one special language or language that helps to manipulate the data. Okay, so SQL is contains different categories, means with the different commands, and it functions different functionality, what we have already talked. So basic functions related commands are create, drop, insert and modify, like this. Okay, so that we will work practically that all. So basically structures query language are categorized into 4 different categories, and sometimes we can find even 5 also. So let's talk about this, what are these. So I'm going to discuss here all 5 together basically, but we will talk about the DDL and DML and DCL. Although this DCL and TCL, they are combined with DML, so that also we'll talk about. So let's find DDL commands. What are the DDL commands? Basically in DDL means data definition language are basically used to create, drop means like delete. We will discuss this all in detail in next slide. So like these are the functions related to the DDL. And DML, we have 3 different functions that also we can find, like insert, update, deletions after the DDL. It's a manipulation, data manipulations is related to data. And DDL is related to the overall schema or structures of SQL. And DCL is normally we have only two functions related to DCL, because DCL is completely, it comes with combinedly with the DDL and DML, because it helps to grant and revoke. Grant, we'll talk detail in next slide, I'm saying. So grant means like giving permission, given access or not. Revoke means if you have given to any like users permission to use their data, you can remove them. That is revoke. And DCL is to commit, means like if after the modify, whether you want that change or not, want to save or not, roll back and save points, like that. And we have on DQL, so maybe for the grade 12 DQL is enough, so where we can use the select query. Okay, so we will discuss this all. I told you DDL actually that it helps to define overall schema or structures of the database. So here schema means the complete format of the table. Okay, like with the attributes, and then properties of attributes means like data types of attributes. Attributes here means the field of the column. Okay, so like here we can use the create means like here is the syntax to create the table if you want to, or create the database, that practically we will use. And here first if you want to create the table, you have to use like create, although I have used here capital letter, but while using SQL, SQL is not case sensitive, whether you can use all lowercase or uppercase, no matter. But although as in syntax I have used here create table and then table name, and you have to define the columns like attributes field names with data types. If there are multiple field names, you have to define one each individuals with its data type. Okay, so as here I have given here as a name, varchar is 20, email varchar 100, DOB, date, so like that. Okay, so this DOB is the field name, email is the field name is the field name, and they are the data type. And alter command is used to change the mode, or if you want to change some like column name or renaming the column, position of the column, deletions of the columns, at that time we use the alter. So alter, it includes different functions like adding the columns, okay, adding the more schema, also we use the alter, and deletions of columns, that also we use the alter, renaming and using constraint, defining the constraint, indexings, that all we use alter. So practically we will use, don't worry about this. But I have given here some, like if you want to add the columns, like here add column name, and like this you can say modify, you can use modify like data types also. And drop is used to delete the table, whether you can use the delete the tables, for you can use the drop. And also we can delete columns, particular field, that time also we use drop. And truncate is here. Truncate normally we don't use, but truncate is it is used to delete overall complete schema with all over the structures, statements or data. Okay, so normally we use to delete the data one by one. So and rename the tables, we can use renaming the tables. Okay, now here is another is DML. DML, I told you, is related to database manipulation. So how we are going to manage overall data, like inserting the data in particular schema, okay, which are defined, like if you want to change the volumes, update, or maybe delete the records, so and select the records to show case, or means by using different query you can select, you can display the tables or table data. For that we use. And DCL, I told you, DCL is normally it is used, it comes combinedly, we cannot find it separately, but it comes combined with DML. Okay, so normally this used to grant for access, okay, or privileging the permissions or access to any other users for different access, for different command, like inserting, updating, or deleting, like that. And revoke is the functions if there are users, if you're going to remove them or stop the privileging what you have specified, giving the access. And here transaction control language is there. Transaction control language means is depend on others. Suppose if you have given access to any other users to change or modify, and after the modifying, if you want to save or not, or after the updations, if you want to save changes on that or not. So for that purpose we use normally. Okay, so let's see practically. I think we will go through this all in next video. I'm going to talk about the how we can how we can like install and use query language. Okay, so first here is data type, this all data types, and that about the different commands I will explain with this all, with the syntax, and in that practical section, in practical sessions. So see you in next video. Thank you. Yeah, how you're feeling, please don't miss to give me comment. Thank you.